You've seen the headlines. They tell you that AI is coming for your job, your paycheck, and your future. But there is a secret happening right now. While some old roles are fading, entirely new careers are appearing that didn't even exist 2 years ago. You aren't being replaced, the map of work is just being redrawn. Let's look at the jobs you've never heard of, but that will likely define the next decade. Think back to 20 years ago. Did you know what a social media manager or a cloud architect was? Probably not. Those jobs were created by the internet. AI is doing the exact same thing. It's creating a massive gap between what the software can do and what humans can manage. That gap is where your new opportunity lives. But these aren't your typical office jobs. Take prompt engineering. It sounds technical, but it's actually about communication. It's the art of talking to a machine to get the perfect result. Then there are AI auditors. These people are like digital detectives. They make sure the AI isn't lying or being unfair. These roles didn't exist because we didn't have machines that could talk back. Now, the ability to guide the AI is more valuable than the ability to do the task itself. It's not just about the prompts. We need an entire infrastructure to keep AI running. We need data curators to make sure the AI learns from the right information. We need ethics officers to ensure the machines don't make dangerous decisions. And we need workflow designers to decide which parts of a job the AI does and which parts a human must handle. We are building a whole new city of careers from the ground up. Here is the surprising part, the value of knowing how is dropping. The AI knows how to code, write, and analyze. But the value of knowing what is exploding. Knowing what to ask, knowing why it matters, and knowing how to handle the human side of the business is now the most valuable skill you can have. The hard skills are becoming commodities, while human skills are becoming the real gold mine. Look at how a job evolves. You don't just stop being an accountant, you become an AI financial strategist. You don't stop being a writer, you become a content orchestrator. The core of what you do, the problem you solve, stays the same. Only the tool changes. If you stop fighting the tool and start mastering it, you move from the replaced list to the irreplaceable list. The real danger isn't the AI. The danger is the gap between those who resist and those who adapt. The people who lose their jobs aren't replaced by a bot, they are replaced by a human who knows how to use the bot. This is the adaptation gap. If you spend your time worrying about the machine, you're falling behind. But if you spend your time learning to lead the machine, you become the boss. So, how do you stay ahead? First, audit your day. Find the boring parts and let AI handle them. Second, build your toolkit. Don't just use AI, master it. Third, lean into your humanity. Empathy and strategy are things a machine cannot fake. Finally, change how you see yourself. You aren't just a cog in a machine anymore. You are the one who directs the machine. The future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about humans with AI. The apocalypse was a myth. The evolution is real. Stop fearing the replacement and start building the new role you were meant for.